Understanding Change Hats, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, change hats. Idioms are a crucial part of English, adding color and depth to the language. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to change hats in different contexts. The phrase, change hats, is an idiom that means to switch roles or responsibilities. Imagine literally taking off one hat and putting on another. This symbolizes changing from one role to another. For example, a person might change hats from being a manager to being a team player, or from a teacher to a learner. Understanding the origins of an idiom can often help us remember and use it correctly. The phrase, change hats, likely comes from a time when people wore different hats for different roles or jobs. For instance, a chef might wear a chef's hat, while a police officer would wear a police cap. Changing these hats meant changing roles or duties. Let's look at some examples to see how change hats is used in everyday language. 1. In the workplace. During the meeting, I had to change hats from being the boss to being a team member. 2. In personal life. At home, I change hats from a lawyer to a mother. 3. In different situations. As a small business owner, I frequently have to change hats between marketing, sales, and customer service. When using the idiom, change hats, remember, it's mostly used in professional and formal contexts. The phrase implies versatility and the ability to adapt to different roles. Avoid using it in situations where the role change is not clear or significant. And that's all about the idiom, change hats. I hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun way to enrich your language skills. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and happy learning!